In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in ActiveCampaign. Forms are an essential part of engaging with your audience and can help streamline interactions such as collecting contact information, managing subscriptions, or gathering insights. We'll break down the process into manageable steps to ensure you can create a functional and attractive form with ease. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll want to access the Form tool. Begin by heading to the left sidebar where you'll find an option labeled Website. Click on it, and this will bring up a menu where you'll see Forms. Selecting this will take you to the Form Management page. Here you'll have the opportunity to manage any existing forms, or, in our case, initiate the creation of a new one. To start this process, simply click on Create a Form. You will be prompted to give your form a name. Something distinct and relevant to its purpose will be most helpful for future reference. Next, you'll need to select a form type. ActiveCampaign offers several options here, including inline, floating bar, floating box, or modal. The choice depends on where and how you want your form to appear on your website. Now on to building your form. You'll be directed into the Form Builder. This is where the creative and functional elements come together. You have the flexibility to add fields to your form. These can be standard fields like name and email, or custom fields specific to your needs. Feel free to rearrange them for a logical flow and rename any fields as necessary. Marking fields as required can help ensure you're gathering all the essential information. Under the Options section, you can define what happens after someone submits their response. You might choose to show a thank you message or redirect the user to a URL, which is especially effective for multi-step forms. If you're using custom fields that you prefer not to display to the user, like tracking information, add them in the Fields tab and simply mark them as hidden. After building and customizing your form, the next step is defining what actions will be triggered upon submission. This is where the real power of your form comes into play. Consider what you want to achieve with each form entry. You might want to add the submitter to a specific list within ActiveCampaign, perhaps applying a tag for easy segmenting later. Creating a deal can be helpful for tracking leads, and setting up a notification email can alert you or a team member about new submissions. Remember, you're not limited to just one action. Multiple actions can be assigned per form entry, allowing for robust automation. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created a form in ActiveCampaign. Whether you're collecting emails, managing contacts, or nurturing leads, your new form is ready to help optimize your interactions. Thanks for watching, and happy form building!